If you're a Pokemon fan and you want a cool Gengar staring at you every night without spending a fortune on a figure, welcome to the world of paper and glue. Yep, this is a low-poly Papercraft Gengar wall decoration. All you need are scissors, glue, and a little patience to summon your own guardian ghost for your room. I designed this template from scratch, so anyone can print and build it. No fancy cutting machines, no model making experience needed. Just regular A4 cardstock will do. The finished piece looks like Gengar literally came through your wall, flashing that mischievous Pokemon grin. The process is super fun, relaxing, and oddly satisfying. It feels like you're evolving Gengar yourself, one polygon at a time. But don't worry, every piece is numbered, so you just follow the order. I've included instructions in the free pattern file. And here's the result, your very own Gengar, ready to guard your gaming setup or your bedroom wall. It looks like a premium 3D art piece. But guess what? It's just paper and one lazy afternoon. This Gengar Papercraft pattern is completely free. Grab the download link in the description below. If you'd like me to make more like Charizard, Scyther, or Starmie, hit like, subscribe, and comment "Gotta craft 'em all" below.